Hi guys, it's me. Thunderbolt 1000T today. Let's react to Tornado's Siren Madness fighting a love flame with another love flame. Day 1003 of that psychotic lovesick 1003 chasing me down. I don't get it. Why me? Why the frick does she always go after me? I'm not even that attractive. Like, I barely resemble the real world Thunderbolt. Well, I guess 1003 doesn't fully resemble her real life counterpart either. Maybe that's why 1003 wants to be with me so much. We both were drawn wrong, unlike all the others. Well, except for the 2001 Bros and 508, I guess. Oh well, I guess I'll go watch TV. But not before locking all of the entrances to the house. Initiate lockdown.
Your house is now secure.
Good day everyone. Today we have romance in the forecast with a 100% chance of luck. 1003 is probably holding Waylon at gunpoint right now.
Holy crap, I look awesome as a siren. Yeah. I arrived in the wrong part of TSM world. Oh well, I guess I'll just have to fly to the right place. But first, I gotta notify the cast that I'll be there.
Hello?
Hey boss Musin. I need you to tell everyone that I'll be arriving at the TSM airport today. And that I'll be going by the name, Bolt.
Alright. I'll do that.
Thanks.
Welks. Attention. One of the SP's fans, DJ Launchpad, will be joining our world today by the name of Bolt. He will be arriving at TSM airport soon.
注意 PSP のファンの一人である DJ ランチパッドが今日私たちの世界に無線ボという名前で参加します。彼は間もなく空港に到着します。
DJ Launchpad. I wonder if he can take down 1003.
God, Thunderbolt hasn't answered any of my calls. Aha, trying to evade my loyalty. Well, we'll just see about that.
Hey, I think that's him. Hi Bolt.
I've been hearing word that a cute Thunderbolt 1003 siren's been bugging you lately.
Yes. I'm trying not to lose my singularity here. And Blockhead won't even help me. He faked my singularitization last time.
Run. Now, I'll take the fall. Just go.
I kissed a siren I don't even know. Thunderbolt must have made it home by now. Thunderbolt.
Hey, mommy!
Fuck. You get what you give, you freaking woodpecker.
What the heck kind of insult is that?
I don't know, I'm trying not to cuss.
You reached 1003. Please leave a message. Bye-bye.
Get over here 1003.
Thunder baby, thunder baby, thunder baby. Let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Who the do you think you are? The three pigs? Let me in.
What's shaking?
You gotta help me. That crazy siren from the airport is crushing on me.
Yeah, I made him do that. It dawned in me that I should give you a taste of your own medicine. By having a crazy lovesick siren you don't like stalk you. To see how it makes you feel.
Oh my god. You troll.
Wanna see that in 4K?
I'll go get some popcorn.